Hello everyone. Good afternoon. How are you, my children? All are fine, no? I'm also fine. Yesterday we have learned singular and plural, how we can use s and es to the plural noun, right? Now today we are going to see next examples of singular and plural. So let's start the session of singular and plural. Here you can see 4-line page. You have to do 100 pages 4-line notebook A4 size for grammar, and for on this page before writing you have to write CW above that pink line. After that write day and date in square. After that, write singular and plural topic name in first line and then start your writing. Students, I am going to tell you some words of singular and plural. You have to note it down in your notebook. So, write it properly, neatly and properly. So, here are some words. Yesterday we have learned some words. We will revise that words first of all. Okay. We mostly add s to make a plural naming words. So here are some examples which we have learned yesterday. Pen, pain is singular noun, and we have add s to the plural noun of pain is pens, pains. CAT, cat, and plural noun of cat is CATS, cats. DOG, dog, is singular noun, and we have added S to dog. It will become DOGS, dogs. TREE, tree, and TREES, trees. So we have added S to these words like pain, pains, cat, cats, dog, dogs, tree, trees. So we have learned these words yesterday. We also have learned the words that nouns that end in a hissing sound ch, s, double s, sh or x. They form plural by adding es. So here are some words ending with ch, s, double s, sh and x. We are going to add es to the plural noun. Okay. Now first option is punch, punch, and punches, punches. Singular noun is punch and plural noun is punches. Bus, bus, and plural noun of bus is buses, buses. Exces, excess, exces, excesses. Fish, fish, fishes, fishes. Fox, fox, foxes, foxes. So, we also have learned these words yesterday. Punch is singular noun and plural of punch is punches. Bus is singular noun and plural of bus is buses. Excess is singular noun and plural noun of excess is excesses. Fish is singular noun and fishes is plural noun of fish. Fox is singular noun and foxes is plural noun. So we have added es to these words because these words are ending with ch, s, double s, sh or x. So that's why we have added es to these words. Once again we are repeating these words. Punch, punches, bus, buses, excess, excesses, fish, fishes, fox, foxes. All the words ending with O, we add es to make them plural. Here are some words which ends with alphabet O. So we are going to add es to the plural noun. And we have learned these words yesterday also. So let's see these words. Cargo, cargo is singular noun and plural of cargo is cargoes, cargoes. Cargo, cargoes. Mango, mango and plural noun of mango is mangoes, mangoes. Mango, mangoes. Singular noun of echo, echo, echo and plural noun of echo is echoes, echoes, echo, echoes. Next is torpedo, torpedo and the plural noun of torpedo is torpedoes, torpedoes. Singular noun is torpedo and plural of torpedo is torpedoes. Flamingo, flamingo and plural noun of flamingo is flamingos, flamingos. Flamingo, flamingos. So here are some words which ends with alphabet O. So we have added es to these words. Cargo, cargoes. Mango, mangoes. Echo, echoes. Torpedo, torpedoes. Flamingo, flamingos. A few words do not follow the rules. Now, we have seen some rules that some words ending with ch, sh, x, o and double s, we can add es to the plural noun. But a few words do not follow the rules. We will see which words do not follow the rules. However, some nouns ending in O form their plural in the normal way. We have seen some words that ends with O. We have added es to the words like tomato, tomatoes, mango, mangoes, potato, potatoes. So in these words we have added es to the word. It is a rule that which words ending with alphabet O we can add es to the plural noun. But some words are there with ending alphabet O. We cannot add es to the words. We can add only s to that words. And we have to memorize that words, that which words cannot follow the rules. So, here I am showing you some words. That words do not follow the rules of es. So, these words ending with alphabet O, we have to add only s to the plural noun. So, first of all, here is auto, autos. Here you can say auto, auto. The word ending with alphabet O. And plural noun is autos. So, we didn't add es to this word. We just add s to this word. So, we have to memorize this word auto, autos. auto, auto. autos, autos. Let's see another words. Sometimes some words ending in O takes only s in its plural form like auto, autos and piano, piano and we are not going to add es to the plural form. We are going to just add s to this piano, piano word. So it will become pianos, pianos. piano, piano is a singular noun, and pianos, pianos is plural noun. Piano, pianos. Piano, piano, and pianos, pianos. You have to memorize these words. Which words can use only s to the plural noun. Here is another word, photo, photo, and the plural noun of photo is photos, photos. So we just add s to this plural noun. Photo, photo, and photos, photos. Photo, photo, and photos, photos. So we just add s to the plural noun. The noun that end in a consonant followed by y change into plural form by changing the y to I and then adding es. So some words ending with alphabet y, and before y if there is consonant, we will remove that y and we will add es to that word. Now here is next rule of singular and plural nouns. Whenever y comes after a consonant which is a letter other than vowels, we'll remove the letter y and add ies to make it a plural naming word. So here you can see a spelling of berry, berry. The spelling of berry ends with alphabet y, and before alphabet y is the alphabet r, and r is vowel or consonant? Tell me, students. Yes, r is consonants. So whenever the word ends with alphabet y and before y there is a consonant alphabet, so we will remove that y and add ies to the plural naming word. So here you can see berry, berry is singular noun, and before y is r is consonant, so we have removed the y and added ies to the plural noun. So it will become berries, berries. So whenever the word ends with alphabet y and before y if there is consonant, so we will remove the y and we will add ies to the plural naming word. So berry, berry, it will become plural noun berries, berries. Here is another example. When a naming word ends with letter y, we remove the letter y and add ies to the end, plural noun. So lady, lady is singular noun, and we have removed the y and added ies to the plural noun. It will become ladies, ladies. So lady is singular noun and ladies is plural noun. lady, lady, and ladies, ladies. So we have removed y and we have added ies to the plural noun. One more example, city, city, and we have removed the y for making plural noun and added ies. So cities, cities. When a naming word ends with letter y, we remove the letter y and add ies to the plural noun. So CITYCT, it will become CITIES in plural noun. So city and cities. CITYCT and CITIES, cities. So we have removed Y and added IES. CITYCT, it will become CITIES, cities. City, cities. Here is next example. PONY, pony, and PONIES, ponies, is plural noun. PONY, pony, is singular noun, and we have removed the Y and added IES to make plural noun of pony. So PONY, pony, is singular noun, and PONIES, ponies, is plural noun. Next example is REPLY, reply, and the word reply is ends with alphabet Y. So rule is we have to remove Y and we have to add IES to the word. But when we can remove the Y? Before, if there before Y is consonant, so we can remove Y and add IES to the plural noun. So here also before Y, L alphabet is there, and L is vowel or consonant? L is consonant. So we can remove Y and we can add IES to the plural noun. So REPLY, reply, and the plural noun of reply is REPLIES, replies. REPLY, reply, REPLIES, replies. BERRY, berry, and this word ends with Y, and before Y there is R, and R is consonant. So we will remove Y and we will add IES to the plural noun. So it will become BERRIES, berries. BERRY, berry. BERRIES, berries. BERRY, berry, and BERRIES, berries. Again, here is an example of LADY, lady, and the lady word ends with Y, and before Y there is a alphabet D, and alphabet D is consonant. So we will remove the Y and we will add IES to the plural noun. So LADY, lady, becomes in plural noun LADIES, ladies. LADY, lady, and LADIES, ladies. Here is a word, singular noun, is BABY, baby. One baby, and the word baby is ends with alphabet Y. Before Y there is B alphabet, and B is consonant. So we will remove Y and we will add IES to the plural noun. So it will become BABIES, babies. BABY, baby, and BABIES, babies. BABY, baby, is singular noun, and BABIES, babies, is plural noun. Here is singular noun of PARTY, party, and before Y here is a word alphabet of T, and T is consonant. So we will remove Y again and add IES to the plural noun. So it will become PARTIES, parties. PARTY, party. PARTIES, parties. PARTY, party. PARTIES, parties. Here is a word B-A-K-E-R-Y, bakery. And the word ends with Y. And before Y there is R. It is consonant, so we will remove Y and add IES to making plural noun. So it will become B-A-K-E-R-I-E-S, bakeries. B-A-K-E-R-I-E-S, bakeries. B-A-K-E-R-Y, bakery. And the plural noun of bakery is B-A-K-E-R-I-E-S, bakeries. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. And this word ends with alphabet Y. So we will remove Y and add IES to making plural noun. So it will become COUNTRIES, countries. COUNTRY, country. And COUNTRIES, countries. The noun that ends in a vowel followed by Y change into plural form simply by adding of S. So now we are going to see some words ending with alphabet Y, but if there is vowel before Y, so we will add just S to the plural form. So we are not going to add ES. It means if there is a word ending with alphabet Y and before Y there is vowel. Suppose there is A, E, I, O and U. These vowels will be there. So we will add only S to that word to making plural form. Now here you can see a singular noun B-O-Y, boy, and the boy word ends with alphabet Y. So can we remove Y and add IES to the plural noun? So it will become boys, B-O-I-E-S. No, it is wrong word because before Y there is O, and O is consonant or vowel? Tell me 5 vowels. 5 vowels are A, E, I, O and U. So O is vowel and before Y there is O. So we are not going to remove Y to this singular noun. We will take as it is word and we will simply add S to the making plural noun. So B-O-Y, boy, singular noun will become B-O-Y-S, boys in plural noun. So here we just have added S to the plural noun because before Y there is O and O is consonant. So we did not remove Y. We just keep that word like that and we just simply add S to the plural noun. So B-O-Y, boy, and plural noun is B-O-Y-S, boys. So here is next word K-E-Y, key. So before Y there is alphabet E and alphabet E is vowel. So again we are not going to remove Y. We will add S to the plural noun. So K-E-Y, key is singular noun and K-E-Y-S, keys is plural noun. We just add S to make a plural noun. K-E-Y, key, K-E-Y-S, keys. Here is next word M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey, and before Y there is E. So E is vowel and we are not going to remove Y. We will just keep that word like that and we just simply add S. So it will become M-O-N-K-E-Y-S, monkeys. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkeys, singular noun, and M-O-N-K-E-Y-S, monkeys is plural noun. I hope you understood the topic of singular and plural. Now students, Revise these words at home. Learn all singular and plural naming words. Till then, bye bye. Take care.